Welcome back to the show. Have you ever seen people sneezing and coughing without covering their mouths? Here's what it looks like. That's nasty. Well, I wrote a song with my dad that should keep us safe from all those germs. And I used something that Cam Newton likes to do.
Look at my dab. Look at my dab. Look at my dab.
Wait, not that song. My song goes like this. Dab when you cough, dab when you sneeze. Keep those germs off you and me. Now you try it with me. Dab when you cough, dab when you sneeze. Achoo. Keep those germs off you and me. Now let's try it faster. Dab when you cough, dab when you sneeze. Achoo. Keep those germs off you and me. You know what? I think I should go and teach some of my friends at school. Great idea. But you gotta come with me. Well, here are some of my friends to teach them a song. Will you sing along with us? Dab when you cough, dab when you sneeze. Keep those germs off you and me. You know what? I think we need more people, right? Yeah! Dab when you cough, dab when you sneeze. Keep those germs off you and me. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for helping me teach my friends. Here's your assignment. Go to your school and teach 5 of your friends so that everyone knows what to do when they have to cough or sneeze. Well, that's it for today's show. See you in the next episode of London in America. Peace.